Hey everybody. For part three of your paper, it seems fairly simple, but I just wanted to make sure that you were clear on a couple things. There's two pieces to this. The first part, you're explaining the impact of the project on yourself or your learning. I mean, pretty basic, right? But part two, this is what I want to make sure that you're aware of fully. Part two, you're evaluating the product based on the success criteria that you set for yourself. Hold on. So in part one, and this is also posted in the Google Classroom. In part one, I made a video for you all. It's right here highlighted. I made a video to help you with setting your own success criteria. As you've been working, if you either didn't do it the first time, like didn't make the success criteria previously, or if you bettered it, or if you changed your mind on something, that's fine. But this part of the paper has to be reflective of part one. Same thing with part two of the paper, actually. If you made any changes to your learning goal or the success criteria you set for yourself, you got to make those changes in part one so that part two and part three make sense. If you've got any questions, you can email me. Please make sure that you put MYP in the subject of your email and be very clear. There's a lot of you working on this project at the same time, which I really love. But I cannot keep up with everyone if you're not clear in your emails regarding exactly how I can help. All right. I'll see you around.